Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'd like to present you this hair dryer from Xiaomi. It's the model H500 and I bought it for around 50 euros. I bought it because my old hair dryer died and I needed a new one. This is how the box looks like. It looks quite premium. I like it. We have here a picture with the product. On the back of the box we don't have anything. Here we have some specifications of the product. Okay, on this side again we have other specifications. And this is the back of the box with the name, the model and some other specifications. As you can see, it has a power of 1800 watts. And the package contains the hair dryer, the air nozzle, a user manual and the warranty card. And this is it. Yeah, it's made in China, of course. Okay, let's open the box to see what we find inside. This is the nozzle. Inside the box there is another box. Okay, we need to open it like this. So this is the hair dryer. And this is it. Okay, so basically inside the box we have the hair dryer, which is quite compact and very small. I like it. This is the fan here, and this is the back. Okay, we have one button for the temperature here, and here we have one button with 1 speed and 2 speeds. So okay, and this is the power cable. You have this protection here. Let's take it out. So this is the hair dryer. Here we have again the same characteristics that we have on the box, and of course you cannot take it under shower and you cannot put it in your bathtub, but I think you already know that. And this is the magnetic head, I think. Let me open it. Yeah, the quality is very nice. I like the feeling and I like the plastic. It's a matte plastic. Here it's matte, here it's matte. And basically the nozzle, yeah, is magnetic. So, and the magnet is quite strong. I like it, and you can put it how you want. Like this. You can put it like this. And this is the warranty card. Yeah. Okay, and the user manual. And this is the user manual. It tells you how to use the product. Anyway, let's give it a try. Again, I like it. It's very compact. It looks very nice. The grip is perfect. And it's not very heavy, to be honest. It's quite light. Okay. And here, as I told you, we have a little cover which you can take out in order to clean the hair dryer. For example, if you have some hair here, you can take this out and clean it. How you do that? You press on it, and as you can see here, you have a sign, locked and unlocked. So you press on it and rotate it to the right. And now it comes out. You can clean it. This is how it looks like. Yeah, you clean this very well. As you can see, it has a spring here. And then what you need to do is to put it back, okay, and just rotate it until you see that the small sign here is on the same line with the dot. And now you are good to go. Okay, let's plug it in and see how it performs. So now the hairdryer is in the socket. I'll take this off because I want to show you something. So basically, in order to start it, as I told you, you have this button and you have two speeds. This is the speed number 1. It's a bit noisy. And this is the speed number 2. Yeah, it's a bit noisy. And with this button you can select the right temperature for you. As you can see, right now there is an LED here, a circle. It's an orange circle, meaning that the hairdryer blows hot air. If you press this button again, the hairdryer will blow hot and cold air in the same time. As you can see, the circle turns orange and then blue. Now it's orange, and I can feel that it blows hot but also cold air. And if I press once again, now the circle becomes blue, meaning that it will blow only cold air, and it is really cold. It has a lot of power. Yeah, the airflow is very strong. I like it, and I like that it's, let's say, concentrated in a small circle, meaning that you are going to dry your hair much faster. And as you can see, the temperature is also shown here on this LED. Basically right now it blows hot air. If you press it once, it will blow hot and cold air. As you can see, the LED is alternating between orange and blue. Yeah, and now if I press once again, it stays blue, meaning that we have only cold air. So the color of this LED is the same color with the main LED here. Very interesting. And again, I like the design and I like how it looks. It looks very premium for the price you pay for it. And let's try with the nozzle on. This is hot. This is mixed, hot and cold. I really like the LED. And this is cold again. And now it's cold. And now it's okay, guys, this was my short review of this hairdryer. If you like it, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.